A day before Eid, there was a lively hustle and bustle outside Mr. Harris's house. He had bought an imported breed of white goat, which had not only been bathed in milk but also sprayed with expensive perfume. Brushed fur, a ribbon around its neck, and a walk that could win the animal fashion show. The next day, the butcher arrived, and as soon as he saw the goat, he took a step back. "Brother, is this a goat or a film hero?" Mr. Harris burst into laughter. "It's just a bit stylish. Don't forget, the knife must still be used." The butcher slowly began to approach the goat, but the goat stared at him as if to say, "Beware, don't lay a hand on me." The butcher said, "Brother, the smell is making my head spin. I must take a selfie before I cut it." The family laughed and recorded a video. When the butcher tried to get close to the goat to control it, the goat suddenly bolted. With the scent of perfume, it strutted down the street as if it were on a catwalk. Finally, when it was caught, the butcher said, "This is the first goat that has made my heart skip a beat before being slaughtered."